Check that you have all the parts that are required to assemble your mixer tap. First, screw the threaded bar. Do this by hand or using a screwdriver. Do not use pliers or grips as this could damage the thread. Screw in the tap tails by hand. Do not over tighten them as this could damage the threads. Ensure that the large rubber seal is in place. This will seal the mixer tap to the basin. Thread the tap tails through the hole in the basin. Make sure the tap is sitting directly on top of the basin. Install the rubber clamp washer. There should be gaps for the tap tails to sit in. Install the metal clamp over the rubber washer, ensuring it sits directly over the top. With the washers in place, screw the brass nut onto the threaded bar by hand. Ensure that the tap fits straight on top of the basin. This can be adjusted by hand. Tighten the brass nut with a supplied spanner. Using a different tool could risk damage to the tap tails. That completes the tap installation. Now we will fit the pop-up waist. Place one of the supplied rubber washers over the waist. This will sit on top of the basin to ensure a good seal. Push the waist through the waste hole, ensuring the rubber washer sits flush to the basin. Place the second rubber washer over the waist thread, which is now through the bottom of the basin. Screw on the back nut to hold everything in place. Tighten the nut with a spanner, but do not over tighten as this can lead to damage and leaks. Your basin is now ready to be installed in your bathroom. We recommend you hire a qualified plumber to install.